Welcome teachers and students of Blanchard High. I am Aiden Sandoval, your weatherman. Next week's temperature will be in the highs of 60s and the lows in the 40s because of the varying temperature next week. Anyways, the precipitation will be high likelihood of rain and thunderstorms on Thursday. The humidity will vary throughout the week, going from really high to really low. The wind speeds also vary, but will likely have an average of 18 miles. I think that'll be all for me. Thank you and goodbye.